When comparing CrankWheel and BlueJeans for sales tools, you might be wondering which one really helps push your sales process forward. While both have their strengths, there are a few key areas that will make one stand out more for your business. So let's break down each platform and see which one offers the best sales tools. First off, CrankWheel is all about simplicity. If you're looking for an easy, no-fuss way to share your screen with potential customers, CrankWheel could be the solution. It specializes in instant screen sharing without the need for downloads or installations. All the potential customer has to do is click a link and boom, they're viewing your screen. This makes it a great tool for quick demos or presentations, especially if your sales process relies on showing off your product quickly and efficiently. Next, CrankWheel has a unique feature, the ability to share your screen with multiple customers at once, but only allow them to view it without the option to interact with the screen. This keeps your demo neat and organized, ensuring that you can control what the customer is seeing at all times. But this feature can also be a double-edged sword. If you need the customer to interact or share feedback, this can limit engagement. Now, let's talk about BlueJeans. While BlueJeans is a more traditional video conferencing platform, it's a heavy hitter in the business communication world. The key benefit here is its scalability. It supports large meetings and webinars, which is ideal if your sales process involves reaching out to larger groups. BlueJeans offers features like breakout rooms and high-definition video and audio, which is essential for building trust and a professional image in your sales meetings. But when it comes to sales-specific tools, BlueJeans doesn't really excel. It doesn't offer as much in the way of sales automation, CRM integrations, or screen sharing simplicity as CrankWheel does. So, while BlueJeans is great for general business communication, it might not be the most efficient choice if you're looking to streamline and enhance your sales process specifically. Next thing to consider is user experience. CrankWheel is very easy to set up and use. There's no need for technical know-how. You can jump straight into sales calls without worrying about the technology. But this simplicity comes with limitations. While it's great for small businesses or independent sales teams, larger teams may miss the robust features offered by other platforms. On the other hand, BlueJeans offers more advanced features, but it can sometimes be overwhelming for new users. The platform is more complex and can take a bit of time to fully understand, especially if you're just getting started with sales video calls. That said, for larger teams with more specific needs, like advanced reporting or integrations with other tools, BlueJeans could be the better choice, assuming your team can adapt to the learning curve. The fourth thing is pricing. CrankWheel is generally more affordable for smaller teams or individuals. Its straightforward pricing model makes it easy to scale as your needs grow. BlueJeans, however, can be more expensive, especially when you need access to premium features or larger meetings. If you're just looking to improve your sales calls and demos, CrankWheel might give you more bang for your buck. Finally, let's wrap this up by recommending a competitor that might offer a better solution for your sales needs. While CrankWheel and BlueJeans both have their merits, if you're after something with more sales-specific tools, automation, and CRM integrations, then platforms like Zoom or even HubSpot might be more up your alley. They offer powerful features that are tailor-made for sales teams, making it easier to track leads, schedule follow-ups, and close deals. So, here's the deal. If you're looking for simplicity and speed in your sales process, CrankWheel is an excellent choice. But for those who need a more robust, scalable solution, BlueJeans could be worth exploring, especially if your sales approach involves large meetings and webinars. And here's the best part. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial for CrankWheel, but we've also got some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your sales goals, and they come with free trials too. Don't miss out on the best deal available for our viewers.